Let's get into our first one, and that is talking about the recap of the GigCon. How was
Yes.
it?
So excited, bro. So excited to meet the kids. I had met Pedro last year at Curbivore in March. Not last year, this year. What am I saying? This year.
Yeah, it was possible a few months
Shout
ago.
out. Yeah, I know, a few months ago. Shout out to Wallet, my sponsor, to sending me out there. Thank you, Wallet. Great trip. It was 2 days. Friday was Pedro's event, GigCon 2023. Pedro is the Jesus-looking guy behind me. And lovely Kim in between, and the frat boy on the left, Zach, who is the crew at Money Hungry, as you guys can see.
No
We did
spaces,
a
David.
we did a quick
Hashtag gig with it,
yeah,
as it is what you see in right there, and what everybody's putting in chat.
yeah. So Kim and Zach, I miss him already. We have an amazing crew at RideShare Guy, bro. Let me tell you, amazing people. Friday was a great day, met a whole bunch of content creators and drivers. And actually, a few people that I frequently email with, they came and said hello. Thank you for, you know who you are. Saturday was Steve Johnson, Rideshare Rodeos, which is, here's the trip, and there's Zach and me, and right in the middle on her knees is Stephanie Vigil. And she is the ex-DoorDasher who has become a Colorado House member. And she brought a bill on last year, which was killed by Uber and Lyft. And this year, she's coming back again. But the backstory, and then, on this picture, you guys can see Luis Berti of Delivery TV. Everybody is in here. We had a great time, but importantly, Chris, my big mouth, my big mouth got me
Big
in
mouth.
trouble.
We all know your big mouth, Sergio. We know.
Every single time, bro. Every single time I get nailed. Every single time. So, okay. So when Stephanie's bill got shot down, it was the transparency bill.
Yep.
And one of the senators, Colorado State Senator, we're talking senator now. His name is Senator Kevin Priola. So
Got into
I
a
go
little
to
tour match with him.
yeah, a little bit. And then, when he shot the bill down, and he's a Democrat himself, I was all over Twitter, all over him, saying, "You sell out, you're this, you're that." I mean, everybody's a tough guy on the internet, right? And then I walk in, Steve is shaking, like literally shaking. He comes over, he says, "Priola is here." I'm like, "Whoop, change of plans." So we did our own little bit of speeches, and then I took Kevin Priola hostage for 45 minutes for a private conversation. Obviously I'm being tongue in cheek here, not hostage. He intently listened to what I had to say, and we all realize now that with the way things are, Chris, proper legislation we're willing to support, and we're here to support. Okay, and to me, I think my efforts, personally speaking, is going to be directed towards proper legislation for gig worker rights and staying independent contractors. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. Then I had a great conversation with Stephanie Vigil, and what the new proposal or the new drafting of the new bill may look like, which I'm going to try to help as much as I can. And it was a great trip, bro. It was great. Meeting people. You know how you see him on YouTube. It's all two-dimensional. It's like it's just you see somebody on TV, right? And then you see him in person. It's like three-dimensional. It's just it's completely
Yeah,
different. So
you really get to see him.
yeah, man, it's like it's amazing, right? So Kim, Zach, love you. Huge thanks to David Picarello of Para for putting up the Saturday event, as well as Steve of Rideshare Rodeo. It was great Saturday. It was a great Friday. It was an overall great trip. Other than my flight getting delayed 4 times due to lightning, it was fantastic, bro. It was amazing. So,
Well,
um,
at least though, again, that was going back to LA, not going into Denver. So at least that's a better
yeah.
way to look at it.
Okay, Dara has no chance, bro. I will smash him. Dara, I know you're watching. I just said it, my big mouth, right? So I'll give you the little background about my big mouth. So when I saw Senator Priola, I went up to him. I gave him my business card, and I said, "Senator Priola, pleasure to meet you, Sergio Avidian of the RideShare Guy." He looks down. He's like 6'4" and 280. Okay, he's not a little guy. He looks down at me. He goes, "Oh, you're the guy." I'm like, "Shit," and I'm like, "Yep, sorry,
Always looking
sir,
right down at you. He's like, "Hey."
yeah, you're the guy." And then I go, "Yeah, apologies. It's all fair game." He goes, I get it. But one thing I discovered, Chris, is that a lot of these legislatures, honestly, I mean, he could have walked away. He's a senator of Colorado. Like, who gives a shit about Serge? He
Mhm,
intently listened. He learned quite a bit. And then we tagged him with Kim and Zach, and they took over for another 15 minutes while I was talking to Stephanie Vigil. And he did not know about tip baiting. He did not know about unjust deactivations. He did not know about any of this stuff. He did not know
mhm,
base pay was $2 and algorithms are going wild and doing this. In fact, we did our test in front of him in Denver. He was like, "What the hell is going on here?" I go, "Sir, now you have a lot more tools in your toolbox. Look, I don't blame these legislatures. The guy he's a senator, right? He has probably 50 bills in front of him. First 5, he probably will understand what's going on. The next 45, he's probably listening to his aides voting on these things. But I am pretty sure we have his vote now. So, Mr. Priola, Senator Priola, many thanks. If you're watching this, we need you. But yeah, that was it. It was great. It was awesome.
nice. Well, I wish I could have been there, but I was on vacation, so I got to choose the vacation with the family over. So, but I'm glad that it was a good time. I'm glad everybody was able to meet and talk and have a great conversation, especially when it came to filling in people who may not necessarily know what they're talking about, or at least when they're voting on these issues. So that's good.
I don't know how to take this, Chris. It's
No,
like,
he's saying, "Don't come back. Don't come back to
oh, they'll come
California,
back. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm not dying, but
or
it's okay.
don't come back."
Okay. All right, cool.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.